Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Coinbase for crypto tax forms and exports. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Coinbase website. Log into your Coinbase account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon to open the drop-down menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. In the Settings menu, look for the Tax Center tab and click on it. Under the Tax Center section, find the option for tax forms and exports. You should see links for various tax forms, including 1099 and CSV exports. Choose the format that best suits your needs for filing your taxes. If you select a CSV export, click on the Download CSV button. For tax forms, find the relevant form you need and click to download. Follow any additional prompts if necessary to complete your download. Once your files are downloaded, locate them in your browser's download folder. Open these downloaded files to ensure they contain the necessary information. Consider saving these files in a secure location for your records. If you need assistance, visit the Coinbase help section for further guidance. Keep your documents organized and accessible for your tax preparation needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.